here we are at Majestic Elegance. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. And in today's video, I am bringing you a full and detailed room tour of my Elegance Club Junior Suite with jacuzzi at Majestic Elegance Punta Cana. Make sure you stay tuned to the end because I will give you my full thoughts on this room and all of the pros and cons after staying in this room for just a few days. If you enjoy room and resort tours like this, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Room 3328 at Majestic Elegance. I love that your wristband is your key. Let's take a look. Okay, so first impressions of this room. Not a fan of the open bathroom, but let's take a look. So as soon as you walk in, you have the bathroom to the left in this room. And you can see there are no walls. I am definitely not sure how I feel about that. We do have double sinks, which is fabulous. You've got your hair dryer. We have 2 glasses, some hand soap, some body milk, and then you do have your mirror right there, a little hand towel, and another hand towel. And then this door is your water closet. If you've seen any of my room tours, you know that this is one of my favorite things to have. It just makes the bathroom much more usable. However, I wish the entire bathroom had doors. And let's take a look at the shower. Okay, nice big walk-in shower. You have your towels in the shower. You do have a light. You've got rain head. And then your in-shower amenities, you have shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Right next to the shower, you do have 2 hooks. And then you look straight out into the room. We'll get to that in a minute. Right here in the hallway, let's see if I can find some lights. We've got this first closet. So we have plenty of hanging space. We've got bathrobes, slippers, a scale, and then you've got your iron and ironing board and more hanging space. Next closet over is your shelving and safe. Plenty of shelves. And then next to that, you've got the secret box. So if you order room service, you can put your dishes in here and a little bit of extra storage too. Okay. Now, as you look into the room, this is a king suite, which is great. I love a king bed. There are nightstands on both sides of the bed. So you have phone and a couple of drawers. Again, nice big king bed. Being Elegance Club, you get a beach bag here. Nice bench at the end of the bed. And then opposite you have your luggage rack. You do have a television and a desk. And then there is a step here, so make sure you watch your step. But you've got the mini bar here, coffee maker, water. With Elegance Club, I did get sparkling wine, whiskey, and rum. Also came with some snacks. You have an ice bucket and an ice bowl, whatever you want to call it. And then here's the mini bar. They will refresh this daily. So we have Coke, Coke Zero, Sprite, Fanta, Presidente, and Coors Light. And then plenty of water. Okay. And then you've got the big jacuzzi soaking tub, and they do have 3 towels here. Amenities include your shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. I will definitely be taking advantage of this. I have a view of the outside if I like, but you can also close that curtain. You have a nice little chaise sofa, and then they were kind enough to leave me a fruit plate and a little note welcoming me. Let's take a look at the balcony. So we do have 2 chairs and a table right here. I'm on the corner, which is pretty nice. There's also a clothesline for hanging swimsuits, and then I'm overlooking the pool. So we have a bar right there. That's the family pool. And then this is one of the Elegance Club pools right here. We'll see what I think after a few days. Let's talk about the rooms here. Now that I've been here for 3 nights, I can definitely give a few pros and cons to the rooms here at Majestic Elegance. We'll start with the good. First things first, the rooms are big. I do like the size of them. Beds are super comfortable. The towels are huge. It sounds kind of silly, the bath towels, but they are huge. They absorb really well. And I really liked them a lot. They were awesome. The included amenities, like the toiletries, are pretty good. I've been using the shampoo and conditioner, and it's been doing just fine. So you have little bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash inside the shower. And then in the main bathroom area, you have lotion, which is great because not all resorts will include lotion. The mini bar is well stocked and stocked daily, which is awesome. And then I received, being Elegance Club, I received 2 bottles of liquor. I had rum and Scotch whiskey, yuck, and then a bottle of champagne. So that was nice. Pretty quiet. I'm on an end, which is nice. So I'm not sure if it would be different if I were more in the middle of the building, but being on the end, it's nice and quiet. I have a great view of the pool, the main pool. Well, no, I have a great view of one of the Elegance Club pools and a little bit of the main pool. So it's a nice central location. My room location was great. Couple little intricacies of the room. If you have any of your doors open, the air conditioning will not work. And luckily the thermostat will tell you if the door is open, so you can figure out why the air conditioning isn't running. With that said, we'll probably there's no full-length mirror in this room, which is weird. I've never seen a resort room that doesn't have a full-length mirror, so I just find that kind of bizarre. And that's, minor. The open bathroom, I hate it. I'm lucky that I'm here on my own. I'm the only one in this room, but the open bathroom is awful. Why did they not build a wall around this bathroom? I understand that it makes the room feel bigger, but you have no privacy. You don't have any privacy. All you have is frosted glass, and I just don't like that. So if you're coming here with a friend, or you have mixed gender kids or something that are older, it's going to be a really uncomfortable room for everybody. In general, the room upkeep, and this is really resort-wide, I don't think it's that great. Like, there's just a few things that need to be fixed all throughout the resort and within the room, like just little touches. Like my mirror's crooked in the bathroom, so you know it's hung crooked. The bathroom, there's some rusting on some of the metal, which, you know, I understand. It's the Caribbean, it's the tropics, and things like that happen. Oh, I forgot to mention, the water pressure is great and it's nice and hot, so that's good. The air conditioner didn't work great. I turned it down to 18 degrees Celsius every night and it never got below 75 degrees in here with the fan on the whole time, so that was annoying. And I know the temperature because my carbon monoxide detector tells me what the temperature is in the room, so I can tell. And it never got below 75 degrees. So it's definitely been hot, but not damp. It's not damp or wet or anything like that in here, so that's great. Storage has been fantastic, especially just for one person. But I always appreciate the large closets. So yeah, I think that's about it for the rooms. Make sure you watch my walkthrough video of this resort and come back and see what my review is too. Thanks so much for watching. Like I mentioned, make sure you stay tuned for my full walkthrough of the entire resort and my full review coming up soon, and those will be linked here when they're available. I'll see you in the next one.